Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to print a Trello list. If you want a physical copy of your lists or boards, you're in the right place. We'll cover two methods, using Trello's built-in features and leveraging power-ups for a more customized experience. First, let's explore Trello's built-in printing options. This is a straightforward way to print an entire board or individual cards. To print a full board, go to the board menu in the top right corner of your screen. Look for the option labeled Print, Export, and Share, then select Print. This will allow you to send your entire board layout directly to your printer. If you only want to print a single card, Trello makes that easy too. Open the card you want to print and locate the Actions section. Click on Share, and then select Print. This is perfect if you want a focused printout of a specific task without printing the entire board. Now, for more advanced printing options, let's talk about power-ups. Power-ups are third-party additions that enhance Trello's functionality. Click on the power-ups icon in the top right corner, then select Add Power-ups. Search for Pretty Print and click Add to integrate it into your board. Once installed, return to your board. You'll now see the Pretty Print option in your board tools. Click it to choose specific lists and card details to include in your printout. This allows for a high level of customization so you can print exactly what you need. When ready, click the print icon in the top left corner to generate a print-friendly version of your selected lists and details. And there you have it. Two effective ways to print your Trello lists. Whether you stick with Trello's built-in features or use the Pretty Print power-up, both methods provide flexibility and convenience. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity guides.